Welcome to Nomad High Income Skills, Episode 1. I'm Arya Reyes. Today, you'll learn exactly how to build an AI-driven proposal factory, a 90-minute system that produces tailored, high-ticket proposals so you can attract better clients and build sustainable high income. Hook. If you're still sending long, generic proposals that take hours and never get a reply, that's costing you time, energy, and premium clients. Long proposals feel safe, but they bury the outcome and force a slow sales cycle, which is death for a nomad juggling travel logistics and limited focus. We're going to fix that. By the end of this episode, you'll have a reproducible 90-minute proposal factory, a compact workflow you can run before your next call that converts 5K plus retainers by delivering rapid clarity, proof, and low-friction next steps for the client. System explained in one line. Combine a rapid market brief, a conversion-focused proposal template fed by targeted AI prompts, a small paid-proof mini-deliverable that neutralizes risk, and a low-energy follow-up cadence that closes without exhausting negotiation cycles. Each piece protects your time while pushing the client toward a quick yes. Step 1. Rapid market brief. Spend 10 to 15 minutes asking 5 surgical questions so your proposal is anchored in the client's real value and urgency. The 5 questions. 1. What is the single business metric you must move in the next 90 days? 2. What revenue or cost number would make this a succeed or fail priority? 3. Who is the ideal customer or traffic source we must target? 4. What has been tried and why it underperformed? 5. What is the minimal acceptable timeline and budget? Record short answers, 1 sentence each, and paste them into your proposal engine. This short brief is the guardrail that keeps AI from going generic. Step 2. High-converting proposal template plus AI prompts. Your proposal should be 1 to 2 pages and include a 1-paragraph executive summary that names the KPI, a 3-part solution outline with clear deliverables, a pricing section with an anchor and a pilot option, timeline and milestones, a proof snapshot, and a clear next step with a limited window. Use these exact AI prompts to populate sections after you paste the rapid brief. Prompt A. Executive summary. Using the brief below, write a 2 to 3 sentence executive summary that names the primary KPI, the impact in plain dollars or percent where possible, and the 1-sentence client outcome. Keep tone confident and immediate. Prompt B. Solution outline. Break the solution into 3 prioritized deliverables, each with a 1-line benefit, and 1 metric will improve. Use the brief for specifics. Prompt C. Pricing anchor. Produce 2 pricing options, a 4 to 6 week paid pilot priced as X, and a 3-month retainer priced as the anchor. Explain the ROI in 1 line, and include a simple change order clause. Paste the brief before each prompt, and always add 1 client-specific sentence from your discovery to force personalization. Quick note, never present AI output raw. Always edit 1 line to include the client's name, a metric from the brief, and a direct testimonial or proof line. That tiny personalization increases acceptance dramatically. Step 3. Proof mini deliverable. Offer a low-cost, time-boxed pilot that proves ROI. Examples: a 2-week landing page test with a tracked click-to-lead improvement, a 1 email sequence that increases trial signups, or a 7-day paid audit with prioritized fixes and forecasted lift. Price it to be meaningful but not threatening. Think $500 to $1,500 depending on client size, and scope it tightly so delivery is predictable. The pilot removes risk and gives you data to upsell the retainer. Step 4. Low-energy follow-up and close sequence. Use a 3-message cadence over 7 to 10 days. Message 1, 48 hours, quick check-in plus a 1-sentence value add. Message 2, day 4 to 5, short case example and pilot reminder. Message 3, day 8 to 10, urgency message with limited slots. Scripts you can copy. 1. Hi name, just checking in. Any questions on the plan? I tightened the pilot scope to guarantee a testable win in 14 days. 2. Small case note. We ran this pilot for X and saw Y lift in 10 days. If you want, I can reserve 1 slot next week. 3. I have 2 pilot slots left for this month. If you'd like one, reply and I'll lock it in. These messages are short, confident, and low pressure. They convert because they create clarity and scarcity without hard selling. Real Nomad example. A consultant I worked with was on a layover in Lisbon. She ran a 20-minute discovery, filled the rapid brief, generated the proposal using the prompts, and offered a $750 two-week pilot plus a $6,000 per month retainer anchor. She sent the one-page proposal between flights, followed the 3-message cadence, and closed the pilot and retainer within 7 days. Key elements that won it: a named KPI in the executive summary, a measurable pilot outcome, and an explicit next step with dates. She signed a $6K per month engagement while boarding a flight, proof that speed plus relevance beats long PDF novels. Scale without burnout. Batch your proposal work into blocks. Run 3 briefs and 3 proposals in one session. Reuse modular copy blocks and keep a library of proof snapshots. Set pricing guardrails, a minimum retainer threshold, a standard change order clause, and defined pilot deliverables. When you're ready, hand off formatting, scheduling, and the follow-up cadence to a trained VA or junior. Keep the discovery and final personalization as your premium touch. Immediate action step. Do this before you close this episode. Spend 15 minutes drafting a rapid market brief for a target prospect, and then write a 3-sentence value hook that names the KPI, the expected impact, and the timeline. Checklist for the next 24 hours. 1. Complete 1 brief. 2. Run prompt A for the executive summary and edit it. 3. Draft a pilot offer and price it. 4. Send the 1-page proposal to 1 prospect. Small timed actions beat perfect overwrought proposals every time. Recap. Rapid brief targeted AI prompts, a tightly scoped paid pilot, and a short follow-up cadence. That's your 90-minute proposal factory. If you want templates, exact AI prompt packs, a proposal checklist, and personalized feedback, enroll in the Proposal Factory course, where I walk through each template, provide swipe files, and give direct critique on one of your proposals. Your skills are your freedom currency. That's your high-income blueprint for today. Take one action this week and start seeing results.